I guess whenever any of us are working with clients, there are things we just wish that they would do to make our lives easier. The job specification is one of them. But if you could wave your magic wand and have a fully prepared managing partner come to you, what would she or he have done to be ready to be a good business partner and help you make your job easier so they get the better candidates quicker?
Okay, this is what I would like to hear on the phone. Mike, listen, we're going to send over a detailed job specifications. It's going to contain all the attributes of what we're looking for in a candidate. It's going to contain a target salary range. It's going to contain a target bonus range. We're going to send you our written benefits package, which is going to include health insurance and 401k information. Hold that in your files until we have somebody that we like and want to convey that to, but at least you'll have it at the outset. And our interview process is going to be as follows. We're going to do one round with partner X. If we like them, they're going to come back and meet 3 more partners and the managing partner. And then we'll likely, if we still like that person, then we'll probably have them meet a couple of associates while they're here. And then we'll be in a position to either convey an offer or not. And if we do convey an offer and the associate candidate would like to come back and meet with more people, we're amenable to that. That would be a terrific phone call to receive.
Yeah, that sounds like a dream phone call. Like
you wanted a dream, Doug. I gave you a dream.
I wanted it. So it would probably also include, and we're going to respond promptly to the candidates you send to us.
That would be a terrific thing as well. Thank you for adding that. Certainly within a couple of days, 2-3 days at the most, or just an email saying, hey, listen, I got the resume of so-and-so and I'm at a conference. I'm not going to be able to review it and I'll get back to you on Friday. That's fine too.